going to do is just soak all of our buns, just like that. Perfect. I'm gonna take the other side and saturate it. Awesome. And while the milk is absorbing into our bread, like a bread pudding, that's gonna chill out for a bit. But then we're gonna take some butter, baby, and we're gonna just grease our griddle. Awesome. And while that's heating up, we're gonna flip our bread just like that and keep squeezing. And you wanna saturate this really good, guys, so every person gets the same amount. We're gonna flip this and we're gonna keep squeezing. Awesome. Then we're gonna take one side, we're gonna put it directly on our grill. Perfect. We're just gonna keep going in with our custard mixture. Guys, look how beautiful and dope this bread looks. Take it and place it right here. Ah, perfect. So guys, we have some beautiful pork sausage. Don't need that anymore. Then we're gonna take some ground beef, just like that. Then we're gonna take our ground beef. Then we're gonna take some breadcrumbs and sprinkle that right on top. Then we're gonna take 2 eggs. Then we're gonna add our beautiful rainbow of spices. We're just gonna mix everything together so our meat is perfectly mixed together. Place it on a sheet tray. We're gonna just start to press it out. Perfect. Then we're gonna take this. So guys, our masterpiece is almost ready. We're gonna put this baby on this grill. Let's make some magic happen. We're just gonna let that cook. Oh my gosh. Now we're gonna add some yummy cheese. Oh my gosh, guys, this looks so good. I could eat this right now. We're gonna take our spatulas, place it on our block here. Then we're gonna take this. So guys, we have some fresh parsley here. We're gonna take a knife and just cut our parsley. I've mise en place all of our vegetables. I'm gonna show you guys how to get into this omelet. Okay, you ready? We're gonna take some egg. We're gonna take some salt. Stir some black pepper. Look at that. We're gonna take our eggs. So guys, to this beautiful, amazing, authentic Asian wok, we're gonna add our beautiful eggs. We're gonna take our vegetables and just slide it right in. We're just going to mix it into our eggs just a bit. Perfect, so our omelet looks beautiful. We're just gonna take it and place it on our tray here. So guys, now let's assemble everything. So we're just gonna place the meat. Oh my God, guys, look. And the very last final piece, a beautiful top. So we're gonna place some strawberries here. Then we're gonna place some raspberries, some maple syrup. And there you have it, guys, the ultimate decadent, delicious French toast. If you want this recipe and others like it, check us out at chefclub.tv, and I'll see you next time.